Assalamu alaikum, children. How are you all? I think everyone are very good. This is your science teacher. Today I'm going to introduce your chapter 2, that is acids and bases. If you see, children, in this second chapter, here you are going to learn somewhat new terminology, and this lesson is somewhat new for you. It is not related to any other previous topics. So you should be very careful on this lesson while understanding, so that you have to go through your textbook thrice or more than that, and you have to take help of your study material, and also I'm also there to help you in this lesson. So we will continue our lesson. Here in this lesson, we are going to learn about what is an indicator, what is acid, what is an acid, what is a base, what is red litmus, blue litmus, what are acidic substances, which are basic substances, what is a neutral substance, salts, neutralization, and also about acid rains. So let's continue our lesson. Before that, I would ask you some questions. What sort of food do we eat? So we eat different sort of food like you're seeing in this picture. So many food items here you're seeing, so that we eat daily different sort of food. In our daily life, we are using a lot of food materials. Even our food has a lot of variety. Different items will taste differently. Children, you may be seeing your mother while she is preparing food. She is very cautious about it, and she will take very care of it in preparing your food items. And also, she also takes a lot of care in order to store it. So, why we have to be or take care while preparing our food or while storing food? We are going to learn in this lesson. So, you are eating different sort of food among that, or all the items alike? No, they are not alike. For example, they are differing in their color. What you are also seeing here, a particular food item has a particular color, like that they differ in their color. If I ask a question, in what ways they are different, then what you say? You can say that they are differing in their shape, size, and then texture, and then its taste. So mainly its taste is different. Now you're seeing here foods with different colors: green, red, purple, brown, violet, light, and black, green, yellow, like that. Many colors. Now for food items you're seeing here. Now we go for taste. So as they are differing in their taste, in today's lesson we are going to know about the tastes of different food items. For that, in your textbook also you have given at page number 9 a table about different tastes. Now if you are seeing in this slide, you are seeing that honey is there, sugar is there, jaggery, and then you're also seeing some other sweet substances. So we can say that our food has some of the food has a sweet taste. We can also give other examples like banana, sugarcane, and so on. Next, in the next picture you are seeing here, tamarind, lemon, and then oranges. So, what is the taste of these food items, children? So, these are taste sour. What is the taste of it? Sour. Other examples also we can give, like a raw mango, vinegar. These also lemon juice. They are sour in taste. When you go to bitter, what are the items we find bitter? As a bitter gourd, coffee, mustard seeds, fenugreek, olives, black chocolate. They taste bitter. Next we go for salty. We are also having salty taste. When we come to this salty taste, we are having common salt, rock salt, seafoods, black pepper, salmon fish. All these are salty to taste. We are also having another taste that is spicy. You know what are spicy? It's red chili or red mirchi, garlic, onion, your pickles, ginger. Some of the junk foods they are spicy. So now I told you sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and spicy. Can you name or can you experience some other tastes in your daily life, children? So daily you may be eating non-veg meat, but not chicken. So what is the taste of it? We can say that is umami, savory. Also we call it as. So this is a flavor of meat. This is called as umami. Already you learnt in your fifth class and sixth. This umami taste. Next, we will be having acrid taste. Acrid. Vagar. That like you will be calling. So that is acrid. And some of them will be astringent. A very what we call it as if anything, any food item tastes more spicy or more salty, more bitterness, at that time you can also say that it is astringent. So now we completed about tastes. Now we go for another item. Do you find any difference in the taste of your raw mango and ripened mango, children? Yes, you know that raw mango is sour in its taste, whereas a ripened mango is sweet in its taste. We may be having a difference between a raw mango and a ripened mango in their color or in their taste, and like that. Now we go for another question. Do some substances change their state when cooked? Do some substances change their taste when cooked? If you see children, bitter gourd is very bitter. When you make curry at that time, its bitterness will be reduced or it will become less. So, for example, you can say many others like that. Next, we go. Another question. Do substances change their taste when added to some other substances? Now you're seeing here lemon juice. Lemon juice, if you see, it is very sour in taste. When we add to this lemon juice some salt, then what happened when some other substance like salt is added to this substance lemon juice? Then we will be having change in its taste. Uh, if we add sugar to this lemon juice, it will become somewhat sweet in taste, so that we will experience change in its state, or sometimes its color also may be changed. Okay, now let's see. Yes, here in this picture, children, you are seeing. For this, I will ask you a question. Do some substances change their color when added to other substance? Have you observed any change when lime water is added to turmeric? Lime water is added to turmeric. Lime water. Lime is a chunna. That when that water is added to turmeric, then its color may be changed. If you do that activity, then you come to know. Or if you ask your parents, they will tell. Now, today we are going to do a simple activity to answer this question. Do some substances change their color when added to other substances? Now, children, you take a white paper and put it aside. Then you take a turmeric powder and you add some water and turmeric to make it a thick paste. Okay, after making this turmeric paste, you apply with the help of a brush, and you rub on the paper, and like you are seeing here, the paper, after applying turmeric, it's we can see its color change. Now the paper has become yellowish. So after that, what you have to do is, here we are seeing some letters in red color. To obtain this red color, what they used is, for this turmeric paper, first of all, what they have taken is soap water or surf water. If you add some soap or surf to water, then it becomes soap water or surf water. Then with the help of a brush, you can write anything or draw anything on this turmeric paper. Then you can observe this change in color. So what they have written here, the letters are in red color. They did like this, so they got a change in the color. So some substances change their color when added to other substances. It's a simple activity we have done here. Next, in our next class, children, we are going to do still more activities. So we can call this turmeric as an indicator. You can also see like this change in color when, already I told, when lime water is added to turmeric, then there will be change in color. What may be that change in color? That is also red. When here in your book they have given, Ram and Sai dropped food they were eating on a white sheet. They washed the sheet with soap and found to their surprise, what they found there? A red spot on the sheet. Why? What happened? Why the red spot appeared? They surprised. Why? Because means while they have dropped food on this white sheet while they were eating, this food item consists of turmeric. So on that white sheet, there is a turmeric. With the help of this turmeric, it has become yellow. When they washed it with soap, because of soap, it became this turmeric sheet yellow color became red. So for their surprise, they saw red spot on this sheet. So Like that, we will see some changes when added to some other substances. In the next class, we're going to know more about this turmeric. What is this turmeric? Why it is called an indicator? What do you mean by indicator? What is the acid? What is base? Which substances are acidic in nature? How we can confirm that it is a acidic substance? Why some substances are basic in nature? What is the nature of basic base? Like this, we are going to learn in detail in this lesson in our next sessions. Let's continue our lesson in the next session. Up to that, study well. You go through once, twice, or thrice your textbook. Then we continue in our next session. No? Allah Hafiz.